So today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious creamy chocolate oat milk. Now, one problem that a lot of people say they have when they're making oat milk at home is that it gets slimy and gritty. Now, I've already done a video showing how to make plain oat milk that's smooth and creamy, and you can check the description below the video to see that video. Today, though, we're going to be doing it chocolate milk style. Let's talk about what we're going to use. We're going to use some oats that I've soaked in the refrigerator for about 2 hours in some cold water. Now, that's one of the keys, is to soak your oats ahead of time in the refrigerator. You don't want to go more than 2 hours. About 2 hours is perfect. We're going to be using some ice cold water, another thing that helps keep it from being slimy and gritty. So I've got some cold water here. I've soaked my oats for a couple of hours in the refrigerator in cold water. And now I'm going to add them to some vanilla, some soaked dates, and some cacao powder. So this is how we're going to make our delicious, smooth and creamy chocolate oat milk. Let's start putting it together. All right, so we're going to be making this chocolate milk in my Kuvings juicer. Now, in my original video where I made the plain oat milk, I showed that you can do it in both a juicer and a blender. So if you don't have a nice juicer like this, by all means, you could use a blender and use that same process to make this chocolate milk as well. If you're interested in checking out this juicer, you can look in the descriptions below the video. I'll have a link to this juicer as well as a discount code that you can use to get a discount should you decide to get one. All right, so I'm going to start by adding my oats.
So some of you may be asking, why make your own plant milk when it's easy and convenient to go to the store and purchase it? Well, the reason that I make my own is because store-bought plant milks, even popular brands, are often filled with unnecessary and unhealthy ingredients. Take this popular brand, for example. It has cane sugar, oil, salt, natural flavors, and synthetic vitamins. Also, when you buy refrigerated plant milks, they've often been packaged for weeks before you ever open them. And if you buy them off the shelf, it can be months that they've been sitting there before you ever get them home. Now, don't get me wrong, sometimes convenience is necessary, but for me, simple and fresh is best. And that's why I make my own.